What's up, guys? Jimmy here with JPS Plumbing, and today I'm gonna be shooting a video on how to install brackets for your undermounted sink. So I did a video a few months ago on how to repair a sink that has fallen. I made the repair, got the sink installed. I just didn't have the brackets, and I didn't have the time to make a video to do it. Finally getting around to it, and yeah. Also, we've been getting a lot of comments kind of talking, well, let's call it constructive criticism on me not installing the clips. You know who you are. Anyways, let's get some brackets installed.
This one right here, for every homeowner or person out there with a plumbing issue. You wanna do it yourself? JPS, where to go? When that toilet don't flush right, or that sink clog, Jimmy's Plumbing Solutions gon' help you fix it all. With 10 years in the game in this plumbing trade, he don't wanna ask for help, I know that's why you came. Hook up that kitchen faucet with step-by-step plumbing knowledge. Do it yourself, cause it can save you a couple dollars. For minor issues every homeowner yet to see, JPS can say today we solving problems easily. No need to fear a couple pipes and some standing water. Just watch the videos here and we can get it in order. Come ask a question, leave a comment, like and subscribe. If plumbing tips are what you need, that's what he supply. Wiki plumbing.
Alright guys, a few things we're going to need for this project. It's going to be some brackets and clips. I got these offline, but you might find these at your local hardware or Home Depot, along with your epoxy. This is what we're going to use to kind of weld the brackets to the countertop. Next is a pair of channel locks or needle nose. You don't necessarily need these items to get the job done, but they do help. Next is going to be a paintbrush. This is going to be for the application of the epoxy, and a pencil to kind of line out the brackets underneath the sink. Next is going to be a flashlight, so we could kind of shed some light on the situation. And next is a drop cloth, or anything that you don't mind getting dirty. Now, everything that is in front of you right here is going to be listed in the description below with links. So step number one is just going to be to clean out all the junk that you have underneath where you're going to be installing your brackets. Get you a drop cloth or whatever you're going to be using to kind of prevent the bottom from getting dirty. You're going to want to set up your flashlight. Just makes everything go a whole lot smoother whenever you have a clean, well, bright, lit work area. So let's go ahead and jump to step two. Alright guys, so step number two is going to be to set up a bracket and a clip, kind of with a nut, just like it's ready to get installed. We're doing this because we're going to go ahead and dry fit kind of where we want them located on our sink, and we're going to mark it with a pencil. That way we know where to epoxy the bracket to the countertop. Now, with my sink being a smaller hand sink, we're only going to put 2 brackets on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done right now. Alright, so we're going to want to go ahead and get that going for each spot where you want to install your brackets. Alright guys, so step number 3 is just going to be to clean up where we marked our brackets to go with some alcohol. This will just clean the surface and let the epoxy weld to the countertop better. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done right now. Alright guys, so step number 4 is going to be to get your epoxy ready. So we're going to go ahead and get this set up right quick. Alright, got the epoxy. I'm pretty sure there's a better way of opening this, but should be good. Okay. So I'm going to use the packaging that it came with. Make sure you mix it up pretty good. Alright, so we are ready to rock and roll. So, yeah, let's go ahead and jump to the next step. You want to be careful. This is what we installed we lay the drop cloth for, because you're gonna get a little spillage. You want to apply a good amount, enough for the bracket to weld. Alright, so I like to put a little bit on the actual bracket itself. And this is when a pair of channel locks or needle nose is going to come in. If you don't have it, you could always just use your hand. So once this is put in place, we'll go a little bit more, get in the holes. And this is kind of a sucky part because you're gonna have to stay here and hold this for at least 8 to 10 minutes. So y'all don't have to hang out with me. We'll jump on to the next step. Let's do this all the way around, however many brackets you're gonna put in. Alright guys, so just got all the clips the brackets installed. As you can see, each one is in place. All right. So with that being installed, unfortunately we have to give it 24 hours to dry and to truly cure. So yeah. I will catch you tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's been well over 24 hours. The brackets have welded to the countertop, so now it's time to complete the whole process with step 6, which is going to be to install the clips onto the brackets, which is what holds the sink into place. So we're going to go ahead and get that done right now. Alright, so we got our brackets firmly in place. Very locked in. So we have our wing nut. These are designed to be hand tight. And we have our clips. So you're going to want to put the clip to where this part right here is touching your sink. You don't want to put it like this, because it's really not putting pressure on the sink whenever you install it. So it's going to be going this way. So. and then just tighten it as tight as you can get it. And you're gonna want to do this for all of the however many brackets you put in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done right now. Alright guys, there you go. Got all of my clips installed, and yeah, everything looks pretty good. So this will definitely hold the sink in place. Alright, well, I also wanted to show you guys this monstrosity right here. This is called an accordion drain, and it's just a horrible piece of plumbing material that was created. So in a later video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to correct this. This will not pass a home inspection in Houston, Texas. So yeah, just be looking forward to that. Alright guys, I really hope this video was helpful. If you do have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'll try to get to them as quickly as possible. And also remember that I will be putting links to all the materials and tools used in the description of the video. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and do so now. And also give it a thumbs up. Until next time guys, happy plumbing.